My 2-year-old doing push-ups. 3, 4. Come on. You on TV? Come on, E. Come on. 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. That was a good one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Where you going? You doing it backwards? Well, you strong, man. You doing it like that? You strong, aren't you? You strong?
I won't be in the dark.
You want to be in the dark? Going in the closet now?
Elijah, what you gonna say at church?
Happy Easter.
You gonna say Happy Easter? You might go on YouTube. You wanna go on YouTube? You gonna put yourself in the closet? Hey, wow. You gonna get out and do push-ups now?
No.
No?
I didn't know that.
Oh my God. So
I don't get on TV.
you wanna be on TV?
Yeah.
You gonna be a star?
You gonna have a little diapers on TV? I think.
You can't wear pull-ups on TV.
You gonna have a diaper?
No,
You
I
want-
always do that.
You wanna hear the party?
Yeah.
You gonna party?
Yeah.
You can't do it? You gonna brush your teeth now?
Yeah, I go brush my teeth.
We'll do some more push-ups. Come on out here. You gonna get on TV? Let's do push-ups. Come on.
Do good.
Come on.
I won't brush my teeth.
That's not yours. You can't get on TV if you ain't gonna do the push-ups.
Elijah, are you in diapers? You gonna be in baby diapers?
I don't want to get on TV.
You don't wanna be on TV? Get away from that.
And I'm going to fall.
You gonna fall.
You know diapers, look.
Ain't dancing now. Man, that's sad. Man, you doing flips? Man, you gonna flip down the steps. You gonna break your neck, man.